Hi everybody, Kim here. I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my new 13 cup Cuisinart food processor. And this one has the Dyson kit. So, let's open this bad boy up. We got the instructions. Everything's really nice and neat in here. I'm just gonna pull out the cardboard. Here we go. Here it is. Oh yeah. Here's the case for all the blades. It locks, which is really handy because everything's super sharp in here. Voila. This houses all the extra pieces, such as the shredding plate, the dough kneader, this is the stem adapter, the mixing and chopping blade, and the slicer. Wow. Here's the base. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. And this big boy is the 13 cup bowl, and inside is the 4 cup bowl. Four-cup bowl. And this guy right here is the Dyson kit, I believe. Yes. Really cool for like fruit salad and stuff. All right. So here's the machine. Let's see how it works. Okay, So I went ahead and washed everything with warm soapy water, and I've added 4 cups of dry roasted peanuts to the 13-cup work bowl. I also added about 2 teaspoons of salt. So let's click him on here and proceed with the maiden voyage. All right, we're gonna pulse it a couple times. And by a couple, I mean a few. Alright, let's pop off the top and give it a little scrape down. And I think I'm going to add about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Through a little tube at the top. So I'm going to turn it on low and then add it while it's moving. We have peanut butter, folks. Oh yeah. That's really good. Needs to go right on an English muffin. Thanks for unboxing with me.